Differences between climbers and creepers. Climbers grow upward with support. Creepers grow along the ground. Climbers have weak stems that need help to stand. Creepers have very weak stems that spread on the soil. Climbers use tendrils or twining stems to climb. Creepers cannot climb. They crawl on the ground. Climbers are grown near walls, sticks, or fences. Creepers are grown in open spaces or garden beds. Climbers are usually kept off the ground. Creepers stay on the ground all the time. Climbers can grow tall if supported. Creepers remain short and low. Climbers grow flowers or fruits above the ground. Creepers' fruits and flowers rest on the ground. Climbers are often planted next to trellises or poles. Creepers are planted on flat land or large spaces. Climbers include examples like money plant, grapevine, jasmine. Creepers include examples like pumpkin, watermelon, cucumber. Climbers help make walls and arches look beautiful. Creepers help cover ground quickly with green leaves.